Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths. And again today we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is playing with numbers. As we have already completed the questions given in the exercises. Yesterday we completed exercise 3.7, hence all the questions have been done. So today we will discuss two examples given on page number 16, example 13 and example 14. At the same time, after discussing the examples, today we will provide you the worksheet in which you will find the questions which are based on this chapter, and you are supposed to solve those questions. So the example 13, in that example, as I told you, you are supposed to open your books whenever you are watching the videos of that particular exercises or a particular page number, so that you can also read the questions, that you can understand what is given in the question. So the example 13 is, in a morning walk, 3 persons steps off together. Their steps measures 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete step? So we are supposed to find the LCM, because it is given minimum distance. Minimum means the least for LCM means least common multiple. So we are supposed to find the LCM of 80, 85 and 90. 80, 85 and 90. We can find the LCM by the division method. So 2 4 ja 8, 0, 85 cannot be divided, 90 can be divided. Again 40 can be divided 2, 20 ja, again 2 10 ja, again 5 ja. Now we will try 3, 5 cannot be divided, 85 cannot be divided, that 45 can be divided. Again 3, then again 5, then now by 17. So to find the LCM, we have to multiply these numbers now. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. After multiplying, we will find the answer that is given in your question, that is 12,240. As the steps are given in centimeters, so 12,240 centimeters will be the least distance they all three can cover in complete steps. So this was the easy question. The method is, if you are supposed to find the LCM in the word problem, so we will prefer that division method. This is the easiest method for the word problem, whether the numbers are small or numbers are larger. At the same time, example number 14, find the least number which when divided by 12, 16 and 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. So in such type of questions, we will divide the question into two parts. First of all, we will find the number which is exactly divisible by 12, 16, 24 and 36 by finding out the LCM. And the LCM is, in this case, as you can see from the book, that is 144. So 144 is the number which is exactly divisible by 12, 16, 24 and 36 completely, with the remainder 0. Now the second part is there, find the number which when divided by these numbers leaves the remainder 7. So 144 is the exactly divisible. So we will add 144 plus 7. We will add the remainder in that number which is completely divisible by these 4 numbers. So the answer will be 144 plus 7, that is 151. 151 you can check, you can divide 151 by 12, by 16 and by 24 and by 36. You will find the remainder in each and every case will be 7. So we have discussed 2 examples here. At the same time our chapter is also over. So today we will supply you one worksheet in which you will find the questions which are based on this chapter for your practice. So you are supposed to solve all these questions, and after completing the questions you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.